let's perform a diagnostic session using ZF Scan. Choose your vehicle type and select the cable you use for the connection to your vehicle. Here you can double check if you are using the right cable. Then start the scan. Enter the VIN number of the vehicle if requested. Other vehicle information is optional. Wait for the vehicle scan to complete. The health report lists all error codes on ECUs. Click on an error for repair hints or start diagnose for system-specific diagnostics. Ensure the required modules are installed and licensed. For this, see the section Updates. For direct access, drill down into System Access for detailed analysis. The selected diagnostic software will start in a separate window. Here you can insert pins to carry out advanced operations like parametrization or flashing. Now diagnostics is complete. With ZF Scan, you can keep your fleet in top shape.